Other visitor management solutions are more of a one-size-fits-all that try to be good at visitor management in a variety of different scenarios or different establishments.
This is for lobbies in schools, lobbies in office complexes, hospitals, whatever these facilities are. We looked at manufacturing and saw they had very specific, unique challenges because of regulatory compliance, because of safety concerns that you don't see in those other types of environments.
If we look at some of the other options in the market, because they're not geared specifically towards manufacturing, they include a bunch of features that are maybe not necessary. It's just more nonsense, bloatware that you have to navigate around, and it starts to feel like you've just been pigeonholed into a software program that may not have been the best fit for you.
LobbyFox is both rigid and flexible, and what I mean by that is it's rigid in 100% of the time. It's gathering the correct visitor information. 100% of the time, it's keeping your company in compliance. 100% of the time, it's delivering the appropriate safety videos. It's flexible in the fact that it can be catered to each individual manufacturer's specific needs, but not only your current needs, it's made so that it's future-proof and flexible to evolve with you as you evolve.
We have an ever-increasing amount of back-end functionality, and that's based on feedback that's been provided by users for things that would make their job easier. One of the things that we've adopted based on user feedback is the ability to mass notify a large group of employees when important visitors arrive. And enabling the check-in kiosk to professionally and politely dismiss an unscheduled or an unwelcomed visitor has been one of our most popular features. The kiosk invites that visitor to check their phone for a text message, and the text message explains why unscheduled visitors are not accepted at the facility, and it gives them instructions for how to schedule a visit.
With all the other generic visitor management systems, you're stuck with one operating system and one piece of hardware. With LobbyFox, we're cross-platform, so we can operate on Windows, we can operate on iOS.
The badge printer we include with every one of our kiosks provides a lot of benefits to you in your check-in process. All of your employees will know the names of your visitors, which leads to a more positive impression of your facility, but then it also improves the security of your facility as well, because employees know who the visitor is supposed to be there to see and whether they've strayed away from their group.
When a visitor walks into a facility, the first impression matters, and it's one of the things that's greatly overlooked. If you've got a client that's walking in and the check-in process is tragic, there's no part of that that makes them feel like they're important to your business or that you were looking forward to their arrival.
LobbyFox improves reception and visitor orientation by delivering the relevant information specific for each visitor type and doing it 100% of the time consistently, no more, no less. We handle the hardware, the software, the design components, and we work with each individual client to make sure the solution is out of the box, automated, and ready to go for their specific needs. We spend a considerable amount of time visiting facilities so we actually understand the problems, not what someone believes the problem to be, what the real problem actually is. And that's why our solutions are much more effective than a lot of the competition.